Hi guys, today we are solving the 26th days problem of March Lead Coding Challenge 2021. The problem's name is word subsets. In this problem, we are given two arrays A and B of words. Each word is a string of lowercase letters. Now, say that word B is a subset of word A if every letter in B occurs in A, including multiplicity. Multiplicity means if any letter in B occurs multiple number of times in A. For example, WRR is a subset of warrior, but is not a subset of word because R is not occurring twice, but it is occurring twice here. Now, say a word A from A is universal if for every B in B, B is a subset of A. Return a list of all universal words in A. You can return the word in any order. Okay, let's see the examples to understand it better. In A, we are given Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, LeetCode. In B, we are given E and O. So we need to return all of the strings from A which contains E and O. So Amazon doesn't contain E, so we won't return Amazon. Apple doesn't contain O, so we won't return Apple. Facebook contains E and O both, so we return that. Google contains O and E both, we return that. LeetCode contains E and O both, we return that. Similarly, in all of these cases, let's see the fourth example. We are given Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, LeetCode. We are given LO and EO. In Amazon, we don't have LO. In Apple, we don't have LO. In Facebook, we don't have LO. In Google, we do have LO, so we return Google. And we also have EO here in any order, which is O and E. So we return Google. In LeetCode, we have LE, we have LO and EO. So we return LeetCode as well. Let's try to code the solution. We'll make an array of count of 26 size, 26 int temp. We'll also create an integer temp. Now, with temp, we'll also create I. Now let's run a loop string A of A. Here we are checking the string A. Now in temp, we are calculating. We're going to make another function called counter where we check the number of letters in A and B. Let's do it in A first. Now, as this is done, we'll have another loop. Let's do it for B first. Now let's have another loop inside of this. In I equals to 0, I is less than 26 because there are 26 alphabets. Now plus plus I. Let's not make a curly brace here. Instead, directly do count of I equal to math dot max of count of I and temp. So basically we are checking which is the maximum out of these two, and now we'll create a list. Let's move a little below. Let's give it some space. Okay, now let's make an array list of strings where we check. Let's call this answer equals to new array list. Now let's do the same for string A. I mean the array of string A. Here we'll take temp as counter of A, and inside of this we'll have for loop with the same things, 26 I plus plus. But again, let's not, this just confuses me. If temp of I is less than count of I, which means the number of letters, as we saw here, let's see this example. Here we have to return with two O's, right? So here we have two O's and here we have two O's. But in Amazon we just have one. So basically we are checking if number of alphabets in the first string, number of particular alphabet, that is O, is one here, right? So we are comparing it with number of alphabets in the string B. So here there are two, here there are one, so we won't add it to the string. If it is greater, we'll break. But if I is equal to 226, we will add it to our answer array list, and eventually we will return a result. Now let's create our counter int count string of word int count equals to new int of 26 for char C in word. I'm sorry, this is the answer. C in word dot to character array. We check if count of C minus A plus plus. Basically what we are doing here is, if we do C minus A, it will give the ASCII value of the particular alphabet, and then we add it how many ever number of times it occurs. Not the ASCII value, basically ASCII value would be given if we just pass C, but we are minusing A. So if it is A, it will be on the 0th location. If it is B, it will be on the first location respectively. So now we just return count. Let's try to run it. Sorry, I always do this. Basically, we need to create a temp. Okay, why is that? Um, Okay, I understand now. Yeah, we got the output. Let's try to submit it. Yes, the output is accepted. I hope you guys understood. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.